Hey guys, it is Quince with aslightlybutterwife.com here to show you a set of DVDs. We've got a little noise in the house today. Hope you can hear me. It is what it is. My older kids are 19 and 14 and they watched tons of Leapfrog when they were younger. I know we can do a lot of streaming for Leapfrog, but I got really tired of trying to figure out which services have which videos free right now. And so I just thought, you know what? Old school is better. I'm a huge fan of old school. And so I went back with some DVDs. I purchased these off of Amazon. The photo on Amazon is like this. Like, it's really hard to tell what DVDs are inside. So I thought I would just pop it open and show you. Okay. So inside of this set, like I said, there are 10 DVDs. It comes in this cute box. Now, I will actually be taking all of these out of their cases and putting them into a binder because that's just easier for us. It's like a little bit more minimal as far as storage because these get kind of bulky. Okay, the first one is Math Circus, Build Math Skills Under the Big Top. If you're not familiar with Leapfrog, they're very animated, they're really cutesy. I love that it's the kind of thing you can put on and you don't have to worry that there's something inappropriate your kids are going to see. And the thing I love about DVDs, you don't have to worry they're going to be stuck watching ads for things that they shouldn't be or are irrelevant to them. The next one is The Magnificent Museum of Opposite Words. It's a little language art skills. We have got Adventures in Shapeville Park. I'm excited to watch these. So what, they're great from like 2 to 35? I don't know. Scout and Friends Phonics Farm. And I should look and see how long these are. They're not too long, typically. Like this one's 35 minutes, 38. I'm just gonna say they're like 30 to 40 minutes usually. 35, 35, 35. And so, I mean, if you figure about a half hour, it's just, I think it's an appropriate amount of screen time for kids to do this a few times a week. This is Let's Go to School. We've got Counting on Lemonade, another 35-minute long one. Learn to Read. This is the Storybook Factory, which is the whole reason I wanted to buy this set was for this one. This one says it's for ages 3 to 6-year-old. Don't be afraid if your kids are younger or older. I mean, you can put an age on that kind of learning. Talking Words Factory. This one's 35 minutes. Math Adventure to the Moon. So launching your child's math skills, 36 minutes. And then it also has The Letter Machine Rescue Team. So like I said, on Amazon, you couldn't really see what all was included. One person did have an incredible review where they had shown the front of all of them, which I thought was so nice of them to go back on and leave a review for that for everybody else since the description wasn't super clear. So 10 DVDs. I got this when it was like $30-some, less than $40. And like I said, these will go in a binder because that's just what works better for us. But I really appreciate educational DVDs for my kids. Like I said, they're not watching ads. It's intentional learning. Like right now, we're going to sit down and learn about this math skill. It's not randomly searching for something that could be semi-appropriate, as they're on Disney Plus over there right now. So I'm excited for these, you guys. If you have any questions about them, post them down below. If you have any great DVDs that you have used for educating your children or you remember from your childhood, go ahead and post those below too, because I'd love to check them out. One of my favorites from my childhood was on VHS tape. I used to rent it from the library all the time, and it was called Beesbo. Have you guys seen Beesbo? I actually bought the DVD or bought the VHS tape as an adult. It's in my basement. I don't have a player for it. I need to find a way to convert it. So, all right, that's it, guys. As always, go out and do something awesome. See ya.